First, we need the Rainmeter program. If you don't already have it, just open Google and search for Download Rainmeter. Click on the official website link, then press the download button. Choose where you want to save the installer, wait for the download to finish, and then open it. Now install Rainmeter just like any other software by following the setup instructions. Once Rainmeter is ready, the next step is to install the Monterey skin. Open Google again and type Monterey skin. From the results, click on the Visual Skins website. Scroll down and click on the download button. When the download finishes, open the installer file for Monterey and click Install. Now the Monterey skin will open in Rainmeter. From here, click on Widgets. For example, let's enable the first option, which is the clock. You'll now see a nice clock appear on your desktop. You can drag it and place it anywhere you want. Next, go to Appearance in the menu if you want to change the widget colors. I'm going to switch mine to dark mode for a cleaner look. Go back to the widgets list and enable more features like the calendar, the monitoring panel, notes, or reminders. You can arrange them side by side to match your desktop style. If you want to remove a widget, simply right-click on it and select Remove. Finally, if you want to close the main control panel, just press the small red circular button in the corner. And that's it. You've now successfully added and customized the Monterey Rainmeter skin on Windows 10. With just a few steps, your desktop can look clean, modern, and functional.